everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of like a get ready with me video to work, but I'm already dressed. So I just going to do for the hair. 1, 2, 3, come on. Anyways, here's what happened. So I said I was going to post like Vlogmas videos from Monday to Friday, and then I'll post my actual video on Saturday. Couldn't post my actual video on Saturday, ended up posting it on a Monday. Tuesday, no Vlogmas video, and today is Wednesday, so I'll edit this video when I come back from work and post it today. So since I got my hair, I've literally been doing one style only. Okay, if you haven't noticed by now, my hair is kind of like green. Here's why. So my blonde hair was kind of like yellowish. It was kind of like a yellowish blonde, brownish yellowish. I had some yellow in there, and blue and yellow make green. And I didn't just use like, I'm using the oil from the salon. And I didn't just use like the indigo blue. I used indigo blue and baby blue. That video will be out soon. It's not out, it will be out. I used just indigo blue, and then I didn't just use indigo blue. I used indigo blue and baby blue. So that kind of like lightened the blue. And when I went to the salon, I asked them if I should wash my hair myself, because I already recently dyed my hair. And she was like, oh, they wash hair there. I'm like, okay, then I'll come. Well, because I felt like maybe their hair washing for this kind of hair was different. I don't know, maybe you don't want your hair dry, maybe you don't want it freshly washed, something like that. So I was like, okay, people, I should have washed my hair myself, because I don't know what shampoo she used. Well, the shampoo really took most of the blues out and left the green. So I'm going to keep this for the whole of December, but because my hair is green, I don't know, but then I also don't want to waste money, so I'm going to keep it for the whole of December. Yeah, so this is literally how I've been wearing my hair for the past 11 days. I'm almost 1 week, 2 weeks with this hair. This is like my hairstyle, this back with this hair. This is it, my hairstyle. So yes, this is how my hair is usually, but today I kind of want to do something different. So yesterday when I came back, I came to lie down and my hair was like this, and I'm like, this is a vibe, right? So let's do something. Okay, so at first I wanted to hold it like in an all back bun, but I think the two pigtails on top there is really cute. I just don't like my pink peeking out, like the pink. Sorry, my nose is kind of blocked right now. Like the pink bun thing. I don't know how the back is looking. I just hope the back is looking really good. I think I'm taking too much hair, so I'm going to do it again. So the pigtails was kind of like, the two pigtails was kind of like a chore, so I just did one pony. Hopefully tomorrow I'll do the pigtails. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you stay tuned for the next video. Hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. So have a lovely day. Bye.